Welcome to Technique Friday with Els. Today I'll be showing you a Valentine's Day card. What I'm using, I'm using the Love die from Suzanne Cannon, the Love Struck die set, which is the heart, and then the Simply Love paper pack from Moda Scrap. So I'm going to create this card, but I made two other cards that I think you might like as well, just to give you some ideas with the paper pack. So this is, I always like to show that because the paper is such a great quality, and the front of the paper pack is actually the same quality as the other sheets. So I just used, let me see, this part, so you can actually cut two fronts from that part only, and then from this part you can actually do an A2 size card as well. So it's just an extra feature from the paper pack. So I made a little strip of tape here, 6mm tape with the glitter, the antique silver, the banners here, and then that love die on there. And then this one I made a very simple card, also some antique silver here, like a wider tape, and just a layer of the different cardstocks. So just, you know, to show you some ideas. So the whole paper pack will give you a lot of different possibilities. So let me put those aside. And that's the paper pack. I'm going to put that away as well. I'm just going to flip through it quickly so you can kind of get an idea what's in there. See the locks, really cute. It's really a nice pack. So that's the card. So what I did, I already cut the different pieces. So this is a 6x6 card. So of course white soft finish cardstock, then the pattern paper, then another piece of white soft finish, and then this is the Love Struck die. And let me show you the die. So what comes with it? So these are actually two separate dies. So what you can do, you can cut a solid heart. So that's what I'm going to use. That's this one. I also cut it in a red paper here. So that's that one. But you can also use only the outside, which is really pretty as well. You see, so this is when you use that middle part in there and cut it at the same time. So that's when you get a really lacy heart here. So just wanted to show you the possibilities with that die. And then it comes with the arrow, and it comes with some little hearts as well that you can use to decorate your card. So I need this one, and I love the colors as well, like the red with the kind of other colors in there as well. So I'm going to etch it first. So I'm going to use the Frayed Burlap here, the distress ink. So I'm going to etch the card just a little bit, just gives it, and I do the same with the paper, so you don't see any white edges. And of course we use that for Valentine's Day now, but you can use that heart for any other occasion as well. It's just not the 14th of February that we love people. Some edging on here. And then also on the second white piece of soft finish cardstock. Of course it has a beautiful structure to it, so what you will see, it just gives it a nice look than just a smooth white cardstock. This is just a really beautiful structure on here. And of course our white soft finish has a smooth backside, so for a card it's perfect because you can write inside and you have the nice structure on the outside. That's that. So then we're going to start to put the card together. Let me find here we go. So I'm just using the 6mm here, and because it's a large card I do the outside, and then I do one strip always on the inside, one or two strips on the inside as well, just to make sure it's stuck down well. I need to add that extra strip in the middle. There we go. Just to make sure it's nice and down. So center this. There we go. And then the second one, so the second square I'm actually using some foam tape, because I like to have a little bit of dimension. Nice, and center this one. That. that. Then we're going to put the heart down, and with the heart I only put like 2 pieces of double-sided adhesive here, because I'm going to, you will see that in a second, I'm going to kind of put that arrow through there. So I'm going to put it in an angle. That. And then for the love, so I cut the love and I put double-sided adhesive on the back of that one before I die cut it. And this is all from the paper pack. There we go, put that one on. And then I have the arrow, and for the arrow I'm going to take a little bit of the, oh here, I got it here, the kids glue, and I just need a tiny bit. So what I just did a little bit of adhesive here, and then I use a ruler, kind of that I go, like goes in and out kind of at the same angle. So I'm going to go through that one first. And that's why I have just a little piece of adhesive on the back there. So go like this, and then take the second part, just a little bit of glue on that one. Kind of see where I need to go. So it's going to go through that one. And then line it up. I'm using kind of a ruler to make sure it's kind of in the same angle. It's just nicer. It looks nice. There we go. I think we're good there. So that's it, and now you have a beautiful Valentine's card, and because it's a white soft finish, so this is smooth, so you can easily write on that. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I suggest a couple of videos I think you enjoy as well, and don't forget to download the free project sheet and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.